Wow, okay. Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new Tumbler project. We have a whole bunch of fun things to play with. I have a new sticky sheet from Mr. Nola's Glitter. I will put the name of this on the screen because I don't remember, of course. Also from Mr. Nola's Glitter, we have these two glitters from their new drag queen line. This is Misty Bonet and this is Jeannie Lamar. These are both, let's see, pearl iridescent fine glitters. We also have from a different new collection called the Coastal Dreams collection. This is Gulf Waters. So I went into my copious stash of mica powders and I found 3 mica powders that I thought matched really nicely with these glitters. So this one is Tahitian from Woody's Goodies. This is Sky High, also from Woody's Goodies. And this is Nemesis, and I think this was from a subscription box a while ago. I was encouraged to do what we're going to do today with the mica powders by how this cup turned out. It's not finished or anything, but this was the leftover mica glue I mixed up in the Mr. Nola's Glitter's April Wanderlust box, the one for Santorini. I mixed up glitter glue, which dries clear, with 3 different micas, a light blue, a dark blue, and a white. And I had some of the mica glue left over, so I just put it on this cup, and I think it's gorgeous. So I want to do the same thing, starting with these 3 micas, and then we will advance to the next step, which will involve glitter and obviously a sticky sheet. So let's get going. Let's mix up some mica glue. I am using Artistry Epoxy's glitter glue. I have a 20-ounce skinny straight. I have sanded it and washed it. And I'm going to mix up these mica glues and then paint them on and let them dry. Three fluffy brushes. Okay, I'm going to put this aside to dry and then we'll come back and do something with some resin and some glitter. And we're back. When I finished putting the mica glue on, you saw me leave it resting with the end up, and I left it that way. And because I put as much mica glue on as I did, gravity took over and it started to produce some drips. And I came into the room about, I don't know, maybe an hour later, maybe 45 minutes, something like that. And I saw all these drips and I thought, oh dear, what am I going to do? Because I knew if I started fussing with a brush, it would just make a total mess of everything. So I thought, actually, this looks really cool, but I don't want it to keep dripping. So I put it on a turner to stop the drips from going any farther down. And now it's completely dry and I absolutely love how this looks. So happy accident. I'm all about that. But in case you're wondering why it looks like they're drips, it's because there are. So now I'm going to put some of each of these beautiful glitters that we have into a little cup. I'm going to use the KS Liquid Stone Ultra UV resin. I'm just going to put on a thin coat and then I'm going to sprinkle on our 3 glitters. Yeah, just sit back and enjoy the show. All right, we've had a little bit of a setback. This cured up fine. I put another layer of resin over it so it is nice and smooth and ready for a decal, except that I went and trimmed down my vinyls and then started to put one of the strips. I was going to do one here and another one here. And I discovered when I took the backing off that these are not peekaboo. This particular sheet that I thought was peekaboo, meaning that everything that shows white here would be clear, like a water slide, but the decals would only be what's colored. And I was wrong, it's all white. See, when I take the backing off, it's all white. So I would have to fussy cut these out, basically, in order to use them like I intended to, and I have no intention of doing that. I'm not big on fussy cutting. I'll do that another time with another tumbler. All right, back again. Momentary jump off a cliff to figure out what to do next. This is a pattern I've used before. It is called, I believe, Easter Floral. Do I put pinstriping on it? Do I leave it like it is? And we're back. All right, I decided that this would benefit from some pinstriping. I have not been able to decide, as usual. I'm not sure whether I want the very shiny silver, or actually I guess more of a chrome thing going on there, or if I want this textured gold. I think they would both probably look nice. I'm inclined towards this one a little more. I feel like this one is almost too much, but we'll put one of these on and we'll see what we think and move on from there. I can always take them off if I don't like them, right? I cut this on my Cricut machine, length of, I think it's like 11.25, 11 inches is plenty long, and the width is 0.15 inches. So it's a pretty thin pinstripe sort of deal. And I'm just gonna put it on here. At first I didn't think I would do this. I thought I would leave it like this. But the more I looked at it, the more I thought, this might zhuzh it up a little. So I think this cup, after all the issues I've had with it along the way, could use some zhuzhing. Like that. I do. I kind of like that. All right, so now I am going to put this on a turner and take my bottle of Counterculture DIY urethane sealer quick coat, and I'm going to go around with a gloved finger and put the sealer on everything that is vinyl, and then I'll put another layer of resin on it, and then I'll see you out in the sunshine for the big reveal.